In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process your first order on Wayfair step by step for 2025. Whether you're selling through the Wayfair Partner Portal or placing your very first purchase as a customer, I'll walk you through exactly what to do with simple explanations and helpful tips along the way. Let's start with sellers using Wayfair Partner Home. First, log into your partner portal at partners.wayfair.com with your supplier credentials. On the dashboard, open Orders and then New Orders to see anything awaiting action. Click into the order to review all the details. Confirm the customer's shipping address, the items and quantities, the SQ, and whether the delivery is parcel or LTL freight. If shipping information or labels are provided, make sure you understand what's required. Before you move forward, double-check stock, packaging, and dimensions so there are no surprises. When you're confident you can fulfill, acknowledge the order by selecting Accept or Acknowledge. This tells Wayfair you're proceeding and moves the order into in progress or pending shipment. Be sure to do this within 24 hours to protect your performance metrics. Next, prepare and ship. Pick and pack the item carefully. For small parcel shipments, use the preferred shipping labels provided by Wayfair when available. For larger LTL items, schedule the shipment with the carrier listed in the order. Once it's on the way, return to the order and select Mark as shipped. Enter the tracking number and carrier if it isn't already filled in. The status updates to shipped and the customer is notified automatically. For payment, Wayfair releases funds once delivery is confirmed. You can view payment reports in the finance section of Partner Home. Depending on your agreement, payouts are typically weekly or bi-weekly. A quick pro tip, keep inventory levels accurate via EDI or manual updates in the Products tab to avoid cancellations and maintain a strong seller score. Now for customers placing an order on Wayfair.com, add your items to the cart, proceed to checkout, and enter your shipping address, payment details, and any promo code. Place the order and you'll receive a